Hello guys, welcome to my page channel or wherever you're watching from. So I'm making this butter bread today. So firstly, I'm dissolving this instant yeast in a warm milk. Then I'm adding some sugar, some table salt, melted butter, and this beaten egg. If you don't want egg in your recipe, that's fine. You could just replace the egg with some water. And then I'm adding this all-purpose flour and then mix everything together with a spoon. And with this recipe, I don't have to use all my muscle to start kneading like the way we normally see them do in the bakery. No. I'm just turning it this way in a simple way. Then I'll cover it up and allow this to settle for about 60 minutes. This will help the yeast to be able to act on all the mixture, and then this will be able to rise and give us that fluffy bread that we want. And now that is ready after 60 minutes, so I'll be transferring this into a work surface. And please, before you do that, remember to dust your work surface with some flour, else this mixture will just be sticky to the bowl and you won't be able to work with it. So just give it a light mix. You don't have to be so forceful about that. Just give a light mix. And then you can even put it like that in your baking pan just as it is now. But for this my own video, I just divided it into 6 portions, and then just cut it to your preferred numbers. And the next is to pick each of the portion and roll them up, roll them into balls. Got that rolled into balls. The same way you turn the other one, so you fold it in and then roll into ball as well. And then I'll transfer that into my baking dish. If you are using a baking pan, please remember to prepare your pan either by first dusting it with oil and then flour, or you could use baking paper to line your dish. So I'll leave it for some minutes to rise, that is to double in size, and then I'll coat it with some milk. Some can also use egg white to dust it, so you can have that golden brown color when it comes out. So the next is to enter the oven, and my bread is out after 25 to 30 minutes of being in oven of about 175 degrees Celsius. And here is my butter bread. Yummy. It's even melting my butter. Yeah, so here is my simple bread recipe. Tell me in the comment box, how do you like to eat your bread? Do you love to eat with some butter or maybe beans or egg? Just comment in the comment box, please. Let me see your comment. And thank you for watching. And see you all in my next video. Bye.